Lasfit Signature Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Specific phone mount for Toyota Camry 2021 to 2023. Custom fit for Toyota Camry. Visually, the dash mount integrates with the interior like an OEM accessory. Built-in magnets. Compatible with iPhone 12 to 14 series or other phones with Magsafe. 15-watt max fast charging. First, mount the phone mount base. Push it on next to the screen. After that, screw the connector on the charger. Then push the charger into the base from above. Finally, plug the cable into the charger. Thanks for your watching.